The 2025 Harley Davidson CVO Road Glide Limited is here, and it's nothing short of a grand touring masterpiece. Built for riders who demand luxury, performance, and presence, this motorcycle continues Harley's legacy of custom vehicle operations with unmatched craftsmanship and technology. In this video, Acer Showroom dives into everything that makes this CVO a true king of the open road. Design that commands the road. From its commanding shark nose fairing to the rich premium finishes, the 2025 CVO Road Glide Limited is a visual statement. Every detail from the hand-applied paint schemes to the gloss black and chrome accents speaks to Harley's uncompromising approach to style. The upgraded LED lighting not only enhances visibility but also adds a modern edge to its iconic silhouette. Massive saddlebags and a full tour pack luggage system complete the grand touring profile, offering both form and function. Heart-pounding power. At the core of the CVO Road Glide Limited is the Milwaukee 8121 VVT engine, Harley Davidson's most powerful V-twin ever offered in a production model. It delivers jaw-dropping torque, smooth acceleration, and high-efficiency performance, thanks to variable valve timing. Whether cruising on highways or climbing mountain roads, the bike responds with unmatched authority and confidence. Next-level technology. Technology plays a major role in the 2025 CVO experience. The latest Skyline OS powers a massive 12.3-inch TFT display, integrating navigation, media, and performance data in one sleek interface. Riders can enjoy a fully customizable infotainment system, while the Rockford Fosgate Stage 2 premium audio system ensures concert-like sound on the go. Add to that Bluetooth connectivity, ride modes, and wireless headset compatibility. This bike is as smart as it is powerful. Comfort beyond expectations. Long-distance rides are made effortless with heated grips, heated and ventilated seats, and Harley's state-of-the-art suspension system. The electronically adjustable rear suspension provides a plush ride no matter the terrain, while the upright riding position, floorboards, and passenger backrest make it ideal for two-up touring. The frame-mounted fairing also drastically reduces wind buffeting, increasing rider comfort and control. Safety and rider confidence. Equipped with cornering rider safety enhancements, the CVO Road Glide Limited offers stability in all conditions. Features like cornering ABS, cornering traction control, and hill hold control work seamlessly to keep you safe. The reflex-linked Brembo brakes with ABS ensure controlled stopping power, even during aggressive braking or in wet weather. The 2025 Harley Davidson CVO Road Glide Limited isn't just a motorcycle, it's an elite riding experience crafted for those who refuse to compromise. With unmatched style, powerful performance, advanced technology, and luxury touring features, it sets the standard for what a premium touring bike should be. For more updates, reviews, and deep dives into the latest motorcycle releases, don't forget to subscribe to Acer Showroom, where passion meets performance.